Hi there. Today I'm going to create a task management app without writing a single line of code in less than 5 minutes using the Mendix Web Modeler. Let's get started. I'll first do some cleanup here. There's some items that get added as part of the blank app. Now I've just got a blank canvas. So I'm going to start by going over to the toolbox and I'm going to grab a hero header, drop that in, and then I'll change the title. I'm going to change it to my task manager. Something like that. And then there's a subtitle. I'll go ahead and just delete that. And now I'll go back over to the toolbox and I will add a list, but I'll go ahead and search for it first because there's a lot of different list items that you can choose from. I'll pick the one I want, drop that in. And now I've gone ahead and created my home page. Now I'm going to click on the list view and I'll get the properties, and you'll see I've got the opportunity to create a database, and I'm going to go over where it says entity and click on the ellipsis. I'm going to add a new entity, which is basically a table called tasks. Then besides that ellipsis, I'll go ahead and click the arrow button, and that will bring me to my database editor. And now I'll go ahead and I'll add a couple of fields. And fields are called attributes in Mendix, and basically they're equivalent to columns in an Excel worksheet. So after I've done that, I'm going to go back to my home page. And now I'm going to assign those fields to items inside of my list view. So I'm going to start by clicking on name. And I'll remove the content. And then I'm going to hit the @ symbol. And you can see I can type in the name of the field and it will automatically get added. You'll see there's curly braces around the name now. And if I do the same thing for the description, I'll go ahead and go in and in the subtext, I'll just remove the information. I'll choose add attribute. Now I have a list that I can choose from, and I'll choose description. You'll see those curly braces basically represent that there's data from those fields that are going to get put in there. So I'll click on the toolbox again, and now I want to add a button. I'm going to grab this create object button. The create object button is pretty cool because it has a whole bunch of wiring behind it that will actually allow you to create a page. I'll set the title, and now what I can do is I can actually set the entity to it, and I'm going to set the tasks entity because what I want to do is I want to add some data, and I'm going to go ahead and create a new page, and that page is going to be the add task page. Now, when I fill in the title, I also need to change the layout because I want this to be a pop-up form. So I'll choose pop-up layout, and then I want to pre-fill the page contents with the task entity, which is pretty cool because now I don't have to go ahead and create those fields manually. They automatically show up in the form. So now everything's set up in that form, and I'm ready to go with respect to adding data. So let's go back to the home page. And let's do some simple formatting to the button. So I'll click on the button again, and on the right-hand side in the properties, I'll be able to scroll down and I can change the style. I'm going to make it orange, so I'll choose warning, even though it's not really a warning. And then I'll choose full width, so it takes up the full width of the header. Now I'm ready to go ahead and publish my app and actually test it out. So I'll click the publish button and I'll click update. Now what's happening is I'm adding my app to the Mendix cloud, and when it's ready, I can view the app, go inside, and now I can go ahead and try adding a task. So I click add task, put in my task name. I'm going to get some dinner. I'm going to get it from Papagino's. And I'm good. And now you'll see that my task is added to my task list. Pretty cool. That's all for this quick tutorial. Take some time to sign up at mendax.com and create your own task management app. And stay tuned to this channel for more Mendix low-code quick hits. See you soon.